How to connect Brother printer to Wi-Fi. Method 1, using the control panel. 1. Turn on the printer. 2. Press the menu button and navigate to network, then press OK. 3. Select WLAN and press OK. 4. Choose Setup Wizard and press OK. 5. Find your Wi-Fi network, SSID, and press OK. 6. Enter your Wi-Fi password and press OK. 7. Wait for a confirmation message of successful connection. Method 2, using WPS. 1. Ensure your router supports WPS. 2. Press the WPS button on your router. 3. Access the printer's menu, navigate to Network, WLAN, WPS, and press OK. Choose WPS, push button, and press OK. 5. Wait for a confirmation message of successful connection.